How to join someone on Roblox with their joins off. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, open up the Roblox application. Make sure that you are logged in your Roblox application. Now just tap on search bar which is at the top of the screen. Now you can add or you can look for the person that you want to add. Here I'm typing Peter. So select on people and you can just click on the profile, and if the join is off you should be able to know. For you to be able to join them, what you can do is you can head to a web browser. So here I am choosing Google Chrome. Now on this page what you want to do is click on the extensions icon and you want to visit the Chrome web store. In the search panel you want to search for a row searcher. So just type in row searcher and you would want to add it to your Chrome profile. And once extension has been added, you just have to refresh your feed. So just tap on row searcher. So once you're done refreshing, you just have to look for the same profile and you should be able to join them. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.